This is a spot where we'd like to stay up here on the left. And I would normally be in my swim trunks and swimming in this current right here, which is, man, it feels good in the summertime. But obviously, it's not happening. But it's still beautiful. Yeah, right up through here, in this flat part up here. Looks like it's had some coyote tracks everywhere. Man, it's got to be tough to be an animal out here surviving. Shoo. But yeah, there you go. Well, I think I found my camping spot for the evening. It's got a nice little natural embankment behind you over here. I have my fire right in here so I can kind of retain some of this heat. Have my tent set back up here. I wanted to check and make sure this was solid. Actually, what the camera's on right now is somewhat icy. I mean, I wouldn't want to walk around too much over there, but yeah, my tent's gonna be right in here. Could be a nice little spot. There's wood everywhere, so I need to get a fire going and start generating a little heat. I got a little wet, so need to take care of business. Sun's shining on me. It feels kind of, it feels pretty good right now. So need to get a jump on the cold. It's gonna be a cold one, so yeah. Well, I'm all settled here. Nice little sandbar. As I've moved around in the past hour and a half, some of it's slowly started to kind of slip away into the just big chunks of ice. But I'll be fine where I'm at. Got my fire going. Got my BioLite going. I'm charging my GoPro whenever I have a dull moment. But everything now is is going pretty smooth. It's chilly, but my new heater inside the tent is plenty sufficient enough. So things seem to be going very well right now. We'll update here in a couple hours, but like I said, thumbs up, having fun.